charges that he's wanted for are sexual assault of a child in the first degree, sexual assault, strangulation, and now we have.
And the other ones are a violation of, one of them is similar to contempt and one of them is violating a court order. I want to say bond, but I'm not sure. So the other ones are FTA. And
unbelievable how someone can just pooch that.
And so, and for what it's worth, for this case, he actually was in this court 4 years ago for the same offense that he's now wanted again. And at that point, he was already wanted as a fugitive in South Dakota. He was wanted in another state for the same warrant where he was apprehended there and then here, or vice versa, and then he was taken back. So he's already been a fugitive twice on top of the 3 open warrants.
And here we are yet again, and still.
And I just, yeah.
Unbelievable.
But that said, I wanted to make sure all the facts were out there. So I didn't know until this morning. Because like for the holds, we don't get to see, especially for multi-county holds, is we can't see which county selected because on our hold screen it only shows what state. So that's why it's important for the multi-jurisdictional ones.
Things need to change, Day. It's just.
So that's why as soon as they found out, I reached out to both, and that's why I'm standing here instead of Amy, just because of how much of a problem it is. And so that's why I made sure to get firm dates for Douglas County because they're the ones that already have the hold. And I wanted to make sure that it was still within the statutory 30 days before I made any approaches. And so I haven't gotten a call back from Sarpy. I don't know if it's because they use the same transport company and it was just a matter of communicating, or if they're trying to get an investigator, lieutenant, or somebody to put them over.
Ultimately, what happened, someone messed up in your case and they let the wrong county know and gave wrong information to the wrong county. So as a result, we have to give you a PR bond. But I'm going to tell you now, these charges will always be in warrant status until you take your happy ass on up to, where is it?
It's Nebraska.
To Nebraska, man.
I have my attorney.
I don't care if you have an attorney. I don't care if you have Jesus on your side. You have to go to Nebraska. And in fact, these charges will remain out there for the rest of your life until you make it up to Nebraska.
Understood.
So, Your Honor, just even though it is a PR bond, what amount will you be putting for the PR bond?
It's inconsequential. I don't know.
Because in the event that it doesn't, it still gets revoked. And so just trying to figure out what to put on our.
Do you have an amount?
Able?
$1,000?
That's what I mean. I mean, I was, especially considering that there's 3 counties. I mean, if it's inconsequential for the number for the court, then I would ask to be set at 100,000 because of severity and the fact that he has 2 prior fugitives for the same offense that is FTA on, and the fact that he has 2 other ones.
Okay. I'm going to set it at 50,000, Abel. Okay. Regardless, I'm giving you a PR bond now. But these, like I said,
do you want him to reapproach when I print out the reset? Because I'll do the reset for returning himself. So
let's just get everything done now.
Okay, I have to type it up.
Take your time. No rush. But like I said, these charges will remain out there until you take care of it.